friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, I have that could be like a fall project, but I think you probably could do it any time of year. It's using some recycled material and paint and a little old sponge. Kind of fun. I did it with the kids, and their art was, some of them had like it's owls in the tree. Some of them had like, I don't know, 20 owls, and then they went in and they were wacky. I will share some of those with you, but this is our starting point, our example that I used with the kids. So I'm going to show you how to make this. But again, you're just going to use it as a starting point, and you're going to make your own kind of fun art project. So, okay, this one was going oriented this way, and this was going oriented this way. And one of my friends, when I wasn't there, drew a bat on there. So you could also make it Halloween-y if you liked. So, all right, here we go. You're going to start with a piece of paper. I'm using a big piece of paper, but yours doesn't have to be big. And
what kind of paper is that?
Oh, it's construction paper. It's we like the True Ray. It's a little bit thick. You could use watercolor paper. You just want something that's a little thicker than, you don't want like copy paper. I'm gonna go this way because I like it when it goes this way. Okay, I sprinkled a little water on my watercolors before I started to wake them up, so they're like ready to go. So hopefully I can get this going, and I'm just going to kind of paint. I'm going to put some water on. It's kind of a watery sunset. Some of my friends, you know, they were wacky, but it's good because
Did you see the sunset last night?
Oh my gosh, I better add some pink because our sunset last night had pink in it.
So pretty.
What other colors were in our sunset
There
last
was
night?
like orangey, purple. There was a lot of, yeah, it was so pretty last night. Like really
yeah.
cool clouds. Oh, Steph told me yesterday they were cumulus clouds, I think.
Ooh, those are the big fluffy ones,
yeah,
right?
they're super big and fluffy.
Going with fast paint job. Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Okay. Ooh, look at that color. I'm playing around with my watercolors. It doesn't really matter. You're kind of just experimenting. It's kind of... All right. Did you notice I covered up my work area?
I did.
Yeah, and look at me. I'm a messy painter today. So, if you're painting at home, cover up your work area. Don't be messy.
Or be messy.
Be messy, yeah. Don't make extra mess for other people to clean up. That's what I say to the kids. What are you doing? Oh, I just found some bright yellow. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, that one.
Kind of fun. Next step. You know, you could wait till it dries, but I didn't with the kids and it worked out fine. So your next step, kind of cool, is you're gonna find an old shopping bag like this, right? Paper shopping bag. The inside doesn't have any printing on it, so that works. And then I like the way it looks. I just tore it. I ripped the paper. I didn't cut it. They get this kind of jaggedy edges. So then you get your friend the glue stick. I think that you're going to need to make sure you get a fair amount of glue on there.
And with the jagged edges, it's a bit more barky.
Yes, barky is exactly the word I was thinking, Miss Kate. Okay, I'm going with my tree in the middle. A long time ago we did this project with, and a girl named Tyler did it, and her family framed it. She only had one owl in the tree, and it was really beautiful. And some friends of Tyler wanted that art, and their mom said, no way, that's one of our favorite pieces of art. I'm gonna go with a simple tree. Again, it's your art. I'm just giving you a starting point. Okay. You want to make sure, sometimes friends just try to glue on here, but with this project, if it's wet, make sure you use lots of glue because you don't want your edges to pop up. You can kind of see here, my edges are popping up, but it adds to the charm.
I'm sorry, are you putting the glue on the bag so that, because that makes it stick better?
Stick, and I have control where it goes. And to make a simple tree. It's a tree with, maybe I need one more little branch. I like to do things in threes. It's kind of fun, odd number. Okay, here we go, last branch. Okay, here we go, through the tree. Okay, so now I've done my tree. love the way that looks. Okay. Then I found an old sponge because, you know, you have them around the kitchen, and I cut it to look like an owl, or as Miss Kate likes to say, owl-ish. Because if you look at it, maybe you could also use it as a cat. But I am going to use it as an owl today. And I've put a little bit of black paint on my piece of foil, and now I'm going to smush it around.
Maybe that's more black paint.
Well, I don't know. We're going to just get right behind. Okay. All right, here we go. And then I'm going to find a spot in the tree for my owl. There we go. And I'm going to smush it down. Oh, come on.
Have you ever seen an owl in a tree?
I don't know that I have. Only in pictures. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so good. There's my owl/cat. Oh, I think I'm going to try to make one down here, and I'm going to have it be a cat.
Oh, I was going to say, do you want to do that?
Okay, I'm hoping there's enough paint. Okay, you get the idea. Oh, look at that. Okay, owl in a tree, cat under a tree. I've invented something new today. Okay, I'm going to paint a tail on my cat because that's really funny. Okay, there's my cat under the tree. Inside here, I put some white paint. This is like a crazy art project. My eyes, look at that. Ooh, the owl. Okay. Ooh, I like this. Okay, there's your owl. I'm gonna give my cat some eyes too. I'm gonna give my cat some whiskers. Okay.
Sometimes
All right.
we say, like, it's okay to be done.
I'm gonna be done, and I'm gonna look at this awesome.
Oh, it's so cute.
Isn't it fun? Even though I'm a grown up, it looks like a kid did it. All right, well, thanks for joining us for Owls and Cats in Trees, and hope to see you again soon. Bye,
Bye.
friends.